Leviticus 7 continues to detail various types of offerings in the context of the Israelite worship system. The chapter focuses on the instructions for the guilt offering, the peace offering, and portions allocated to the priests. The guilt offering addresses specific cases of unintentional sin, while the peace offering symbolizes fellowship with God and others. The chapter outlines the distribution of portions among the priests for their sustenance. The principles from Leviticus 7 carry relevance for us today. The guilt offering reminds us of the need for forgiveness and reconciliation when we fall short. Today, Jesus serves as the ultimate sacrifice for our sins, offering us forgiveness and restoring our relationship with God. The peace offering symbolizes fellowship with God and others. In our lives, we can prioritize building relationships, fostering unity, and seeking peace with one another. The peace offering was an expression of thanksgiving. In our daily lives, we can cultivate an attitude of gratitude, recognizing God's blessings and goodness. Just as the priests received portions for their sustenance, today's believers can support ministry and those who serve in various capacities. Contributing to the work of God allows ministries to flourish. The chapter's allocation of portions highlights the importance of sharing. We can apply this by being generous with our resources, time, and talents, helping those in need and contributing to causes that align with our values. While we don't offer the same types of offerings, we can understand the concept of personal sacrifice. Surrendering our desires, priorities, and ambitions to God's will is a form of offering in today's context. In conclusion, Leviticus 7 underscores themes of forgiveness, fellowship, gratitude, and support. Although our practices may differ, the principles of seeking reconciliation, fostering unity, expressing thanksgiving, supporting ministry, and living sacrificially continue to guide our lives. Through Christ's sacrifice, we can experience forgiveness, fellowship with God and others, and live purposeful, impactful lives. I am your host and servant in the Lord's vineyard, Evangelist Thomas.